Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. My name is Omar. Today I want to talk about something that is dear to me, and also I believe anyone who has ever moved from one country to another has also been affected by this. So one of the important things that most of the time stops people from navigating, integrating and succeeding whenever they move to a new country, to me, is a source of access to the information. So you need right information during the time of transitioning, when you're trying to integrate into a new system, and when you're trying to succeed. A typical example is a customer persona called a Joe, who is from Congo, a professional who works as a data analyst, wanted to pursue a master's degree in USA, get exposed to international job opportunity, start an organization, a company that will support underserved community into getting to tech. So in this, he needs a platform that will be less stressful, that will be faster, easier, affordable to access the information he needs to get a right visa, to get a right program that is looking for, to be able to come to US, study, get exposed to the job market, and then finally start his company. Joe speaks English, but he's more comfortable speaking in French. And so that is some of the challenges that everyone who moves to a different country, maybe because of studies, because of work, because of business, or any other personal reason, whether you're coming to US, whether you're getting out of the US, whether you're moving to another place, I believe access to information, and not just information, access to the right information, a very reliable information, would be a key factor in you navigating, integrating, and succeeding. Ladies and gentlemen, here I present to you NaviSmart, which is an AI-powered platform that simplifies access to immigration information and resources. In this, we looked at the problem matrix and solutions, a solution that we're offering to those kind of problems. In the US, 80% of immigrants find the process of accessing immigration information resources stressful. 60% struggle to find the most updated and accurate information. Nearly 40% of immigrants face difficulties in understanding immigration laws, leading to delays and errors. Only 20% of immigrants in US are proficient in English. So this limits access to critical resources. An example is a Joe who I've just talked about. 55% of immigrants rely on online resources, But 65% of those sources are very unreliable, and that leads to misinformation. One more challenge is that it's costly if we are to seek guidance of a legal service. It ranges between 1,000 to 4,000 for any legal service that you may be looking for from a lawyer or attorney. And that's where the NaviSmart comes in. It tries to solve all these problems by offering a search engine with personalized assistance, multilingual support, citation providing capability. Our intention is to reduce the complexity of accessing the information, and we are committed to making the process less stressful, reliable, faster, easier, and more affordable. Our platform is meant for anyone who is who needs to access these resources. Somebody locating, whether you are a professional, whether you are an entrepreneur, whether you are a business person, whether you are a student, or whether somebody going to visit a country for vacation, for personal reasons, this app is for you. So as a migrant navigating complex processes, you will need this app to get you the resources that you need faster, easier, in more affordable, and with less stress. So as a migrant, you need this app for you as a personal tool that provides solution to you whenever you're trying to navigate the complex processes. As an international student seeking visa and work opportunities, just like my friend Ajo I just talked about, as a skilled worker, professional who needs a work permit to be able to work here, whether you're coming as expatriate or somebody who is already employed by as a company, or you're seeking employment, a lot of paperwork that are involved, and so you need the right information, and this app would be able to, or NaviSmart platform can be able to provide you with that information. As entrepreneur or business person who is exploring investment opportunities, you need this platform to be able to know how to navigate, the process of getting the right documents that you need to be able to explore those opportunities. As a refugee or asylum seeker, who's looking for protection, there are many documents that you need to fill and be aware of. And I believe information is power. Once you have the information, then you can be able to make a decision that's going to be very right for you. As a legal or immigration consultant who's trying to streamline the cases, so they need this platform to be able to understand some of the latest information. And in a short while, I'll let you know what makes our platform different from the existing platforms that we have in the market currently. So for nonprofit or advocacy groups, we're providing migration support. This platform is good for you because it will support you in getting the right information and the resources without much stress, with less complex, faster and easier. Now, so I just talked about our platform being a conversational search engine. So we need to understand what makes uh, our platform different from any other conventional or existing search engine like Google. So conversational search engine offers natural interaction, which search platform like Google may not be able to offer. It has personalized response. So for example, I give example, going back to example that I gave, Joe who is from Congo. So if, for example, he wants, so I would imagine that he start a conversation in with our platform by I want to come and study in the US. What do I need to have? Our platform will be able to ask a question. Where are you based or where are you located? And so that helps our platform to understand so that it can personalize responses that it gives you so that we don't end up having irrelevant information. So for example, um, if you're in Congo and you're looking for um, a visa to come to US, that is very specific. It's different from somebody who is in Congo who wants to go visit a family member in UK. So with the conversational search engine, then you can have that personalized response according to the location and your profile. It has multi steps for query handling for deeper understanding, so it can be able to understand and give you more insight on what you're talking about. It provides cited curated information to reduce misinformation and also support multilingual accessibility. Just spoke about that. So it can be able to give you answer into a language that you are more comfortable with and can be able to understand. And that makes you understand so that you don't end up probably asking a wrong question because language is a challenge. So yes, that's an advantage that that our platform has over conventional search engine example of Google. Enables cross-platform accessibility and continuous learning, improving accuracy over time. So yes, just like any other um, platform, AI-powered platform, it can be able to learn and be able to give right information based on the, the information that has been fed over time. And so in a short while, I'll also be able to tell you what makes our platform different from a platform like ChatGPT, which is also AI-powered platform, conversational search engine. So yes, so that's what makes the difference between conversational search engine and conventional search engine that include, for example, Google. Also, it saves users save time with direct answers. Of course, that is the intention, so that you can be able to save time. It can be able to guide you. It can have follow-up questions that you can benefit from by having that kind of interaction and, of course, engaging experience. Now, this is where it's interesting. Being a conversational search engine, just like ChatGPT and DeepSeek, why is our platform, what makes our platform stand out? And I would say this, while those other two, DeepSeek and ChatGPT, are powerful general AI models, NaviSmart is very specific, designed for immigration, which is making it more reliable, effective for users to navigate the complex system of immigration. On my right is a table that explains all that. So I will start with the feature, how NaviSmart is different from ChatGPT or DeepSeek. So for example, domain expertise. ChatGPT and DeepSeek are general purpose AI. They're not specific to a domain area, which is, for in this case, immigration. While NaviSmart is a specialized um, platform that serves immigration or provides immigration services and processes. That makes it, I tell people, um, so I look at NaviSmart as dedicated platform like LinkedIn, a social media dedicated for a specific thing. So by having a dedication, it means that we are going to include the users' feedback. Users, we're building NaviSmart based or having users' input in our consideration. ChatGPT and DeepSeek wasn't meant for that. And I want to challenge everyone right now. Just go to ChatGPT or go to DeepSeek. Probably you are on LinkedIn, your resources, you have some information on them, on their social media. Just type your name and tell me, I want to challenge everyone, if ChatGPT will be able to give you an answer of who you are. It means that unless somebody has talked extensively about you, some information has been fed into the ChatGPT or DeepSeek, they may not be able to understand who you are. That's what makes the difference. So by providing the right information that we're training our model on, that is immigration related information, then we can say that our platform will be more superior in the areas of immigration. And that takes me to the second part, that they say our platform provide resources which are cited and verified. Our intention is to provide um, information from verified sources to avoid hallucination of our platform. And so that's what makes our platform different, because ChatGPT or DeepSeek may generate responses which are not verified. As long as somebody, has talked about it, it's somewhere in the web, ChatGPT can be able to provide that answer. But for us, because this is a very sensitive part of industry, and we intention is to make sure that we provide the correct and verified information, especially when it comes to legal matters and things that relates to information that relates to legal and immigration. So that makes what our platform, different from ChatGPT, and of course makes it superior. The other one is personalization. So we offer tailored guidance based on user profile and history. Remember, Gen AI or generative AI, they learn. They generate answers based on the things that that have been trained on, and the things that have been, fed into the system. So when you able to provide, I gave you example of a Joe who was asked where is based, and is able to provide which kind of visa is looking for, he's able to provide. That means that um, we can be able to tailor the information based on the information that you already have. Now, when it comes to ChatGPT and DeepSeek, they have limited personalization when it comes to immigration. The next one is the multilingual support. So we support multiple languages to assist global users. ChatGPT offers multilingual capability, but they lack what you call domain-specific accuracy, because they're not trained, they're not specific to immigration. The other one is task-oriented assistance. So we provide structured step-by-step guidance. ChatGPT or DeepSeek lacks structured immigration process because they are not meant to be specific to immigration. Now we have another one called that is real-time updates. Our intention between 2-3 months, we should be able to have quick updates. So we adopt to quick updates to changing immigration laws and policies, which they are meant to change almost every day. With ChatGPT, there is no guarantee that the real-time update will be made. And sometimes you might find information which is outdated and reliable, and that can be misleading. We have user focus. So we designed specifically for those navigating immigration challenges. So like I said, we've done a survey to validate the market, and we're building this platform based on users' feedback, and we have users as our focus, while ChatGPT or DeepSeek are not tailored for immigration, so they don't have user in their mind when they're building this kind of platform. Now, the purpose built, I've just said, and this is, like I want to reiterate again, is that the aim is to simplify immigration process. That is our aim, and provide and simplify the complex processes of seeking information that relates to immigration. Now, ChatGPT and DeepSeek are not specialized in immigration services, so it may not be able to. It's not meant. It's not purposely built for that. And of course, the final one is user feedback. So our users, the survey we did, we got the feedback from the users, and the result that we have formed or shaped the improvement of our platform. So I want to say this, that I think information, once again, is very powerful. It helps you make a right decision. So our intention is to provide you with accurate, very reliable, simplified, at affordable, at faster rate, so that you can be able to make a decision. It becomes sometimes very expensive. I've gone through this, and this is idea that came out of experience. Um, Having gone through the process myself, I know it's very hectic. It's very confusing. If you were, I'm trying to imagine you open, you go to a website, then you click link, and then, sometimes you have to open tons and tons of pages to be able to access information. By the end of maybe third, fourth, fifth, seventh page, you're already confused. So you don't even know, you get confused. So when it will be long, it will take more time to access information. It's not clear, can be very reliable, because you're not sure what specific answer for that. But if you're having a conversation, just you'll have with someone, you type in what you're looking for, you get the answer straight away. So you let our platform, help you doing what that work of searching for that information wherever it is, and it provides you. Again, one more thing is information is always distorted. So when it moves to one person to the third person, it cannot be the same. Somehow, it's in our nature that it never be the same. So I'm trying to imagine if everyone was to get the right information, same time, or even different times, but the same information, so that you can make a decision based on the right first-hand information, other than when it's gone from third person to the fifth person and you get it, you may not be able to be so to be sure that you're getting the right information. Again, also the citation that we talk about. So every information that you're going to receive will be cited, and that creates confidence in what you are getting, so that you can be able to understand the source of information. And so please look out for this app. It's gonna be, I've rolled out. We have something already in our App Store, the MVP already in the App Store, Play Store. You can always check this app. But we're still enhancing it. We should be able to have that fully implemented part of conversation in the next, before the end of this month, February. So next week, we talk about next week. It's a game changer. I believe that we are going to have the power in our hands to make a decision. We can be able to get informed with whatever information you're looking for, without typing in the website, without clicking a link. We take it to another link, that takes to another link, so that what we are going to do is to reduce the time for accessing this information by a higher percentage. We're looking at about 50%, time saving for accessing information. You just need to type in, and then you get the answer right away. Looking forward to meeting you very soon. And I ask you, please check on our website, check on the App Store, download our app, try today, and give us your feedback. Bye. See you.